Hey everyone, my name is Talon and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just doing a unboxing of a microphone called the Technica AT2020 for about $99, maybe a little bit more depending on if you can get it on sale or not from websites like Amazon. I think that this is probably one of the best mics for a lot of people, and currently the audio right now is being recorded with this microphone along with my Mo2 M2 audio interface. And yeah, right now I'm just doing a kind of look around the box for you guys. You can see everything that comes in the box. Microphone, you get a, I don't know if it's not a stand, it's just a connector for a stand. Then you get a little bag, and yeah, just take a look around the box. Nothing really cool to see here. All right, so let's open this thing up now. And you'll notice right there it says that this is a cardioid condenser microphone. So since it is a condenser microphone, you will need an audio interface or an additional accessory that provides 48 volts for the phantom power for this. Otherwise, you will not be able to drive this microphone if you don't have that additional power. And if you look inside here, you get a registration card that's going to be for your product warranty. And here you can just take a look. This is just the specifications of the microphone right here. You can look at the frequency response range. You can look at the polar pattern. So like I said, this is a cardioid microphone. So you can see the pattern that this is going to generate right here. So you can see that primarily it's going to focus on audio that's coming from the front of the mic. It'll pick up some from the side, but it shouldn't really pick up any from the back. It kind of creates that peach shape that you saw. And you'll see how to talk to the mic, because there is a front and a back to it. And of course you want to be talking into the front since the mic is the way that it is. So let's just get right into the box here. Let's look at everything. Yep, this is the warranty card. Make sure you fill that out, throw that in. It's only a 1-year warranty, which is kind of surprising since it's a microphone. You wouldn't think that it would be such a short warranty. There's no moving parts. So realistically, the microphone should last, just don't drop it. I guess even then, it probably won't even get hurt. It is a full metal microphone, so here it is for you guys. It's all black. It looks pretty nice in all honesty. Let's just grab it out of there. The box is it is well packed, so the microphone is safe in shipping and everything. Like I said, there's no moving parts, so you don't really have to worry about stuff breaking anyways. So here's the microphone itself. You can see AT2020 on the side. Can't forget the name of the microphone. And if you see the front of it, you'll see where it says Audio Technica. That is going to be the front of the microphone. And the back right there, obviously, is the back. And just in case you don't want to forget, it is cardioid condenser microphone right there on the side of it as well. So speak into the front. The one that says the Audio Technica, don't speak in the back. Otherwise the audio will not sound correct. And personally, I like the look and feel of this microphone. It's all black metal. You can see, I don't know what this design is called. It kind of has like little gloss specks kind of like in the body of the microphone. I don't know what it's called, but it looks cool, and that's all that matters. Kind of feels cool too. And you can see the connector down here. This is going to be an XLR connector. This is going to be pretty much the standard connector for almost all microphones, at least decent microphones. And you'll need you could do an XLR to XLR. You could do XLR to 3.5 millimeter, but most likely if you do to 3.5 millimeter, you won't be able to connect to most audio interfaces, so you won't be able to provide enough power for this. So the only other things in this box is pretty much, you get this carrying bag. I don't really know the purpose of the carrying bag. I don't know anyone that would actually, when they travel with their microphone, would stick this thing in this carrying bag and travel with this. But inside the carrying bag, you do have this connector for the microphone, and it has a standard screw on the bottom of it, so you can connect it to almost any stand. It's pretty standard, and it actually inside of that, it's an adapter, so you can take that out and you can expand what kind of stands you put it in. All you have to do is just turn the microphone into this, and pretty much gets connected. You can turn, all you really have to do is you just have to add the resistance that you want, change the direction, and just stick it onto. You can do a boom arm, you could do a desk stand, you can do a standing stand, you know, like the ones that you would see like in concerts and stuff. But yeah, you can connect it to pretty much any stand, and you can move it around a decent bit. It's a pretty nice connector to be included in the box, not gonna lie. I've seen a lot worse where, I mean, all it is just holding the microphone. You can change the angle just barely, but this, you can turn it around. You can do a lot with it. You just have to turn that little dial on the end of it, and it moves around pretty nice. You can hang it upside down. You can hang it right side up, however you want on the stand. Just remember to talk to the front of the microphone. And yeah, I guess if you want to be cool, you can carry this thing around in the stand, in the carrying bag. And other than that, yeah, there's nothing else in the box. It's gonna be it right there. You got everything out. Of course, this isn't a review by any means, but like I said, I am recording this audio on this microphone right now. And for the most part, I've been using this microphone for a while now. It replaced a $20 mic that I used for a long time by, I think it was Florian. But I've been very happy with this mic. If you want to do podcasting, YouTube videos, or anything like that, honestly, it's a great option, especially for the price point that you can get this at. And I personally like the cardioid style of microphones. You can kind of move it away from you, and you can still get a pretty good audio from it. So with all that said, that's going to be the video. And if you liked it, like and subscribe, and check out any other videos I do in the future.